Alexandra Yim, and I'm in 6th grade.
We wrote an essay called Unity in the Communities, Change for a Stronger America. We're sister and brother. We breathe together. Our nation is stronger.
My friends, during this challenging and unprecedented time, we have written an essay called One Rainbow Nation for Stronger America, and it strives for unity in all the communities across America. So now I'm going to read you the essay we wrote. So here it goes. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident and that all men are created equal. These exact words were said by one of the world's greatest civil rights advocates. His name is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He helped people who were being treated unjustly because of their race. He rallied supporters to protest peacefully. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s legacy positions us on a path for a peaceful world. Words do matter. I propose a new inspirational message of hope to inspire Americans that builds on this great man's legacy. My inspirational message of hope is simpler, but is very substantial in value. The world in which we live could be a better place. All we need is a spark to light our fire. The spark I am proposing is this: change for stronger America. First, my motto, change for stronger America, accurately represents the ideal rights of every individual American. Change for stronger America consists with the colors of the American flag. Then it can divinely inspire many people about the constitutional rights set by our founding fathers. Next, people will perform random acts of kindness. The world will become a better quality place. The colors in America represent the rainbow nation and motley of ethnic backgrounds residing in this wonderful nation. As an example, someone viewing my inspirational message of hope can make better and kinder decisions. Furthermore, other people will be awarded with emotional support and recognition. This country was established on people helping and aiding each other. Next, my message of hope is an inspiration. According to my learning, I learned that short phrases are often better and have more impact. We definitely agree. Short inspirational messages of hope are easy phrases to eternally store in your brain. People will remember what virtues are followed in America. Likewise, my inspirational message of hope can adhere to an individual's brain like a memorable catchphrase in a commercial. The ambiguous and inspirational message of hope has meaning, so people can interpret it with different meanings. Then they can perform multiple types of kindness instead of just one. Finally, my inspirational message of hope promotes unity in the world. My inspirational message of hope has the exact words, Stronger America! The inspirational message of hope will help citizens feel the unification. People can be inspired to host social events. Unfavorable attitudes can change for the better good. We can't overcome global problems if everyone in the world is bickering with one another. Instead, we can compromise on our frequent complications. In addition, my inspirational message of hope can prevent problems. It undoubtedly has limitless potential to change several mindsets. The inspirational message can be revolutionizing for the entire world. It sends positive and encouraging vibes to all. Fewer problems will result in a unified and diversified world. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. The words of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. show the power of unification. In conclusion, my official inspirational message of hope can transform the world in numerous manners. People will change. Friendships will start. Hatred will end. Diversity will spread. Some person will not walk into the world frightened as a skittish cat because of cruel words said to them because of a race, gender, belief, or disability. Undoubtedly, my inspirational message of hope can encourage that person to rise to the occasion. The person will understand that other people support him in a unified nation. On the other hand, the inspirational message of hope can reverse a hypercritical mindset. Then the person can help people. It is a positive solution for global unification and diversity. This inspirational message of hope is the golden ticket to the most peaceful and prosperous world. And thank you for listening to my essay. And remember, when everyone unifies together, we can have more peace. And now we are going to read some words of wisdom.
We're sister and brother. We breathe together. Our nation is stronger.
Thank you for watching our video.